Welcome to this tutorial on how to use ChatGPT, the revolutionary AI chatbot created by OpenAI. This state of artificial intelligence allows to generate conversational text in any questions you might have. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up an account. First step, you will open your browser and type ChatGPT. Tap on the first link. Now tap on the sign up icon. Now type your email address. And tap on the continue icon, enter the password. Tap on the continue. Now verify your email address. Tap on the mail that you receive. Tap on Verify Email Address. Now enter your first name, second name, and now birthday. Tap on Continue. Now you have to verify your phone number. Now enter the code that you receive on your phone number. After verify your email and phone number. That's connect to your account, you are ready to go. Now you will be faced with this interface. Now you can start asking it questions. So here is your answer. If you have to ask more than one question, then you have to tap on the new chat. If you are trying to write an essay, this is the great way. And say, write me a 200 words essay on artificial intelligence. And I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.